We're here at.
Rafjam bed and breakfast in Irishtown.
Okay, how did you come up with that name?
Rafjam, my husband is Raphael and Jamaica, of course. So, and he had a blog before coming to Jamaica called Rafjam.
Okay.
So when we started, we decided to call it Rafjam because it was a unique name. It was a name with a difference.
You started with one room. How many rooms do you have now?
We have 9 rooms at the moment,
Wow.
which includes the cottages, etc.
Okay. Where are most of your visitors from?
Well, 70% of our visitors are from Europe, and the rest is from the rest of the world. We're just getting Jamaicans. As you know, Jamaicans are more on the picky side.
Right.
So we're just getting Jamaicans, and with the restaurant and the spa, whatever else we have to offer.
Oh, you have a spa as well?
Jamaicans, yes.
What are some of the services that you offer at the spa?
We do mostly aromatherapy treatment. We're gonna be doing a foot spa soon. We're working on that. So for all those people who want fish to nibble on their feet,
Yeah.
you can come up and it's a nice.
And for persons who would like to make bookings, what are your telephone numbers, your social media, and do you have a website?
Our telephone numbers are 944-8094 or 426-3667. Our website www.rafjam.net, and you can check us out on Facebook, Rafjam Bed and Breakfast, on Instagram, Rafjam Bed, and on Twitter, Rafjam Bed.
And for those of you who have never visited, or those persons who have never visited before, why should they make it Rafjam?
Rafjam has the best staff ever. They will make your stay a memorable one. And our service, ton up, I must say. We ensure that when you leave Rafjam, you leave happy, not unhappy.
And I have to tell you, I am a happy person. Have a look at some of the pictures. There you go. All right. Make sure you visit Rafjam real soon, Irishtown. Big up.